bytes and byte array object, printf style bytes formatting. Note the formatting operations described here exhibit a variety of quirks that lead to a number of common errors, such as failing to display tuples and dictionaries correctly. If the value being printed may be a tuple or dictionary, wrap it in a tuple. Bytes objects, bytes are or byte array have one unique built-in operation, the percentage operator modulo. This is also known as the bytes formatting or interpolation operator. Given format percentage values where format is a byte object, percent conversion specifications in format are replaced with zero or more elements of values. The effect is similar to using the sprintf in the C language. If format and requires a single argument, values may be a single non-tuple object. Otherwise, values must be a tuple with exactly the number of items specified by the format bytes object or a single mapping object, for example, a dictionary. A conversion specifier contains two or more characters and has the following components which must occur in this order. First, the percentage character which marks the start of the specifier. 2. Mapping key optional consisting of a parenthesized sequence of characters, for example someone. 3. Conversion flags optional which affect the result of some conversion types. 4. Minimum field width optional. If specified as an star asterisk, the actual width is read from the next element of the tuple in values, and the object to convert comes after the minimum field width and optional precision. 5. Precision optional. Given a dot followed by the precision, if specified as star and asterisk, the actual precision is read from the next element of the tuple in values, and the value to convert comes after the precision. Length modifier optional. Uh, Conversion type 7. When the right argument is a dictionary or other mapping type, then the formats in the bytes object must include a parenthesized mapping key into that dictionary inserted immediately after the percentage character. The mapping key selects the value to be formatted from the mapping. For example, print b percentage languages has percentage number 03d quote 3 types, b language colon b python colon b number colon 2. So if we try to print this string, okay, so this will be replaced by python and this will be replaced by 2. Python has 002 quotes type. Why? This is the field character and this is the width 3d. In this case, no asterisk specifiers may occur in a format since they require a sequential parameter list. The conversion flag characters are hash. The value conversion will use the alternate form where defined below. 0. The conversion will be 0 padded for numeric values. Hyphen. The converted value is left justifies overrides the 0 conversion if both are given. Empty space. A blank should be left before a positive number or empty string produced by a signed word conversion. Plus a signed character plus or minus will precede the conversion overrides the space flag. A length modifier h, l or capital L may be present but is ignored as it is not necessary for Python. So example percentage %ld is identical to percentage %d. The conversion types are conversion meaning notes, d signed integer decimal, I signed integer decimal, O signed octal value, U absolute type, it is identical to d, X signed hexadecimal lowercase, capital X signed hexadecimal uppercase, E floating point exponential format lowercase, capital E, floating point exponential format uppercase, small f, floating point decimal format, capital F, floating point decimal format, G, floating point format, uses lowercase exponential format if exponent is less than minus 4 or not less than precision, decimal format otherwise, capital G, floating point format, uses uppercase exponential format if exponent is less than minus 4 or not less than precision, decimal format otherwise. C, single byte, accepts integer or single byte objects. B, bytes, any object that follows the buffer protocol or has underscore underscore bytes underscore underscore method. As S is an alias for B and should only be used for Python 2 or 3 code bases. A, bytes, converts any of Python object using wrap R method dot encode ASCII backslash replace. R, R is an alias of A and should only be used for Python 2 and 3 code. Percentage, no argument is converted, results in a percentage character in the result. Notes, the alternate form causes a leading octal specifier 00 to be inserted before the first digit. The alternate form causes a leading 0x or 0 capital X depending on whether the X or capital X format was used to be inserted before the first digit. The alternate form causes the result to always contain a decimal point even if no digits follow it. The precision determines the number of digits after the decimal point and defaults to 6. 4. The alternate form causes the result to always contain a decimal point and trailing zeros are not removed as they would otherwise be. The precision determines the number of significant digits before and after the decimal point and defaults to 6. If precision is n, the output is truncated to n characters. B percentage %s is deprecated but will not be removed during the 3.x series. B percentage %r is deprecated but will not be removed during the 3x series. C PEP 237. Note, the bytes array version of this method does not operate in place. It always produces a new object even if no changes were made. Thank you.